All right, so in this video, I'm just going to be really transparent and I'm going to show you exactly how this funnel works. Now, you've already been through a part of the funnel on the front end, so I'm just going to go in and actually show you how this funnel actually works. All right, so first off, we have the front end. On the front end, so we're just going to call this, here the front end. Now, on the front end, we basically have a sales page, and that is something nominal. I'm charging, I think, like $1 I charged you guys to actually get into this back end area where you're watching this video in the first place. So on the front end, we basically have sales page for $1, and then we basically have the member sign up page, which then takes you to the member login page. And then that takes you basically to the members area. All right. So on the front end, basically we drive traffic over here, and then once we drive traffic over here, we sell access to the entire members area in which you are in right now. Sell access for like $1, something super nominal. It's low ticket. It's a front end offer, so it's low ticket. We're not trying to make a lot of money here. Right now at this time when I'm making this video, I don't have any type of order bump or anything like that on the front end. It's just like $1, I think, is what I'm charging for access. So they sign up, they pay $1 to actually get access. That takes them to the secret login page where they can actually create their account. Then they go to the login page where they can actually log in. Once they log in, they get to the members area, which is where you're at right now. So now inside the members area, there's a bunch of free content. There's some free stuff. There's some free software. There's several free contents. So there's a lot of free information inside here. But in the members area, we also have some paid content, as you've probably actually noticed. There's some modules inside here that are essentially locked. And in order to get those modules, in order to get access to that content and that information, there's another small payment that's actually required. All right. So now we're going to come over here and we're going to show on the back end. So on the back end, we essentially have the members area. Now that members area is going to lead to a bunch of different paid contents. Okay, so it leads to a bunch of different paid contents. I don't know how many there are, but there's a whole bunch of different paid contents. And those paid contents could be $1, they could be $47, they could be $97, they could be $147, etc., etc. So, for example, you'll probably see over here somewhere, Affiliate Marketing 101. I think I'm selling that for $1. All right. So on the back end, they log into the members area. Inside the members area, that leads to individual sales pages. That leads to these individual sales pages where they can buy individual content modules like Affiliate Marketing 101, Affiliate Marketing 102, Traffic 101, Traffic 102, some social media marketing, all sorts of stuff. You can see them over there, the stuff that's actually locked, that requires a large payment. Or a small payment, sorry, that requires a small payment. Now, all of these are going to feed in basically to the exact same page. And this is OTO 1 to upsell. I don't know, this is like $47 to $97. All right. So this upsell is going to give you access to everything here. All right. So for example, you could go in and buy Affiliate Marketing 101, and then after you sign up for Affiliate Marketing 101 and pay the $1 or whatever it is, it's going to take you to this upsell, and this upsell is going to allow you to pay one small price for everything else. Instead of going in and buying everything individually, you'll be able to actually buy everything right here. That will unlock everything and give you access to everything that is paid content. All right. Then from here, there's another upsell. This is the PLR. And I think this is like $97. All right. So after you so first, let's say you're interested in Affiliate Marketing 101. So you buy Affiliate Marketing 101 for $1. Then you're going to come here to this upsell, and this upsell is going to allow you to pay one small payment to unlock everything, all right? So all together over here, and this is structured like this purposely, all together everything over here is probably going to add up to around $500 or so. So if you go buy everything individually, that's probably going to add up to like $500 or something like this. Here, this is going to give you a massive discount. And on the sales page, it's going to show you that. It's going to show you you're going to get access to everything. Altogether, it would cost like $500 to $1,000. That's priced like that purposely so that you're more incentivized to actually take this upsell right here. And that's going to unlock everything and give you access to everything. Now, once you take this, then you're going to go to another upsell, and that's going to sell you the PLR content. So if you remember in one of the videos, we talked about PLR and what is PLR versus MPLR. It gives you the right to be able to actually sell all of this yourself, all right? So once you buy access to everything on this upsell, there's going to be another upsell for another small payment that will give you PLR rights, which will allow you to essentially sell everything that you just purchased, all right? So you're going to get taken to that upsell, and then after that, there's going to be another upsell. I'm running out of space over here. So you're just going to move this over here. All right, then there's going to be another upsell. This is going to be M. Not sure what's happening here. Sorry, my whiteboard stopped working. My whiteboard has stopped working for some reason. Let's get it to go again. Come on, whiteboard. Let's see if we can get our whiteboard to go again. It's broken. It has broken. All right, let's finish up. Let me get our whiteboard going. All right, here we go. So now we have the MPLR. All right, so now we're going to actually have the MPLR. Now remember, we talked about the MPLR. The MPLR is actually going to give you not just the private label rights, not just the ability to actually sell everything here, but it will also give you the ability to actually sell this, all right? So it will also give you the ability to sell the PLR license, and you can also sell the MPLR license, which means that if you actually purchase this, you're going to be able to sell everything that's inside this actual funnel, all right? So you'll be able to sell everything that's actually inside this funnel with the MPLR. And then after this, there's one more upsell, and this is done for you plus software partnership, all right? So this is done for you plus software partnership. If you actually purchase this upsell, what this will do is I will give you a copy of this entire funnel so that you don't actually have to go in and actually build out your own funnel. So this is actually, as you can tell, probably this is built on ClickFunnels. We are going to be implementing it in Go High Level as well. So this is going to give you access to the entire done for you funnel, completely done, so that you don't actually have to go in and build the funnel out yourself and spend a bunch of time like I did actually building out the funnel, building everything out, building the members area, building the course area, building all the sales pages. That's all done for you. And then it's also going to include a software partnership for all the free software that's included in here. So there's like 9 different softwares that I'm giving you for free that's included inside this course area. In the back end, in this members area, you see a place where there's you see a place where there's actually you see a place where there's actually free software. So you're going to get access to the done for you system, completely done for you, and then you're going to also get access to the software partnership where you yourself are going to actually be able to give out the free software to people, and you'll be able to actually provide those free softwares to people inside your memberships area if you decide to buy it. So hopefully that makes sense. Again, I'm just going to walk through everything. On the front end, So on the front end, we just basically have a sales page where we sell access to the entire member area for just something very small, very nominal, like $1. Once they sign up for that, it takes them to a page where they can actually, you guys went through this. If you're in the back end already, you already went through this and you experienced this process. Took you to the sign up page where you could actually create your account. Then you logged in. Once you logged in, you got to the actual members area. That was the front end, super low price, like $1. Then that brings us to the back end. Now, once you're in the back end in the members area, again, there's a lot of free content that you guys have actually found in here. I'm calling it free. You technically paid $1 for it, all right? But we're just going to call it free. So there's a lot of free content. But then on the back end, there's also a bunch of modules that are actually paid modules. So like Affiliate Marketing 101, I think that's like $1 or something that I'm charging for it. Affiliate Marketing 102, that's like $97 or $47. I don't really actually remember all the prices. Probably haven't even, at this stage when I'm making this video, I probably haven't even put in all the prices yet, all right? But nonetheless, this back-end membership area has all the free content, and it also has all these paid modules. All these paid modules take you to individual pages where you can go in and buy just that piece of content, and you can unlock just that piece of content. As soon as you actually sign up and unlock just that piece of content, it's going to take you to the first upsell, which will allow you to unlock everything. Instead of buying each and everything, this is going to be priced altogether probably around between $500 to $1,000, okay? So if you go buy everything individually, it's going to cost around $500 to $1,000. However, this upsell right here is going to give you access to everything. So it's going to unlock everything. So if you decide, hey, I want to go buy Affiliate Marketing 101 for $1, and you see Affiliate Marketing 102 is $97, and Copywriting 101 is, let's say, $47. Traffic 101 is $47, let's say, and you want access to everything, instead of buying each and everything individually, once you buy Affiliate Marketing 101, it's going to take you to this upsell where you can get everything for a discounted price. Let's say if it's all together going to cost you $500, this is probably only going to cost $50. If it's all together going to cost you $1,000, this is probably only going to cost you $97, and you'll unlock everything. You'll get access to everything, all right? So if you take this upsell to get access to everything, the very next thing is going to be another upsell that is going to offer you the private label rights, which means you will be able to sell everything over here. So all these courses you will be able to actually sell. You'll still have to go in and build a place for people to consume it. You're still going to have to go in and actually build the sales pages to be able to sell it, all right? So if you take the PLR license, there's going to be one more upsell after that, which is going to be for the master private label rights, which means not only can you sell everything over here, you can also sell people the private label rights. So you can sell people once they buy something from you, you can sell them the ability to sell the same thing that they just purchased, and you'll also be able to sell the master private label rights, all right? So hopefully that makes sense. Whenever you buy one of these, you're going to this upsell, and this upsell is basically going to give you access to everything, and then that's going to take you to the private label rights. That private label rights is going to give you the ability to sell everything over here, and then that's going to take you to the master private label rights. That's going to give you the ability to sell the private label rights, and it's also going to give you the ability to sell the master private label rights. You would still have to build a course area. You would still have to build a way to sell everything. You're still going to have to build your sales funnels and a course area for everybody to consume it. And if you actually purchase this, the very next thing is going to be a done-for-you system, which is literally a copy of this entire funnel. So everything's actually built for you, so it's a lot faster for you to actually implement. And then it's also going to contain a software partnership that's going to allow you to basically give away for free or sell on the back end if you want all of the software that I've included in here for free. And there's a few others that I haven't actually included in here for free. It's our lead magnet package that we normally charge our partners $197 a month for. That's also going to be discounted in here. It is going to be a monthly recurring cost, but it's not going to be $197. But that will give you access to everything done for you, and also give you access to the partner program where you can actually create accounts and you can actually manage the accounts of the software that you have inside this funnel. So hopefully that makes sense, and now you actually understand exactly how this funnel works, because you may be thinking, okay, hey, I'm going to go buy affiliate marketing 101 for $1. So I want to give you a heads up on the exact funnel that you already came through this process to get here in the back end. So I wanted to give you a heads up on the back end funnel and exactly how that works and exactly how that operates and exactly what you should expect should you decide to buy any one of these. Should you decide to buy any one of these, this is the process that you're going to actually find. Make sense? So if you buy this and then you skip this, then the only way that you're going to be able to get any of this other stuff is you're going to have to buy this individually. And as soon as you buy this individually, it's going to take you right back here. So it's going to work out that if you buy any 2 or 3 of these, you are much better off just to go ahead and take this offer right here to be able to get everything, to unlock everything. And if you take this offer right here, if you want to make your money back just by selling access to the same stuff that you're actually buying, then you can actually take the private label rights and you can actually sell any of this stuff. All that will actually be delivered to you. All the content will actually be delivered to you, so you can sell everything. And if you take the private label rights, you should really take the master private label rights, because then in your funnel, after somebody buys one of these things from you, you can sell them the ability to sell the thing that they just purchased, just like I'm actually doing with you. So you take the master private label rights, you'll be able to sell the PLR license, and you'll be able to sell the MPLR license. And then if you take this, then you can actually get this done for you system, which will save you a lot of time. Everything's actually done for you already, and you'll get the software partnership, so you'll be able to actually give softwares. Now, you don't have to take this. If you don't take this, if you take this master private label rights, but you don't want to take this, all it means is 2 things. One, you're going to have to go build your funnel. You're going to have to go build a funnel. You're going to have to go build a way to be able to sell everything or give it away for free if you're wanting to give it away for free. So you're going to have to build the sales pages or the lead capture pages. Then you're going to have to build some way for people to actually consume your content, like the actual members area. All right? So you're going to have to build all that. And then if you want to give away the free software that I'm giving away, you can just simply use the links that I've provided you. So you could just copy that you could just copy it, and you can use the same links that I'm using. But if you use the same links that I'm using, what will happen is you are sending me leads. So if you want to save a little bit of money every month, then you don't have to buy the software partnerships. You could literally just copy the free software modules that I have, because they all have little sign up links where I send you, and you just put in your information there, and boom, you get access to that actual software for free, and you don't have to pay for it. So you could just copy my links and put, when you build your own membership area, you could say, hey, here's some free software, and just put in my link there if you want to. But what you'll be doing is you'll be sending me free leads. So if you do that, you just need to be aware that every time somebody goes and gets that free software from you, they're actually not getting it from you. They're getting it from me. They're opting into my funnel. Now they're going to actually start getting my emails and stuff, and they'll actually end up buying stuff from me instead of buying stuff from you. So if you still want to be able to give the value of the free software, and you want to be able to give your people the value of that free software, but you don't want to feed me leads and have me start selling stuff to your leads, then you definitely want to get this. So hopefully that makes sense.